If you've made it this far, you've made it past the very beginning stages of learning the flute, past making a tone, past the dynamics, past the different articulations, and you're ready to graduate onto something a little bit more advanced and real and practical in the music world other than hot crossed buns. I just played Ode to Joy, which is part of the very last movement of Beethoven's Ninth Symphony, a piece that a lot of real professional musicians play all the time. This little segment of music is part of a much larger work by, again, Beethoven, who was a rock star in his own right in his own day. This fabulous, fabulous musician. He wrote this symphony while he was mainly deaf. Can you imagine writing an entire piece without being able to hear hardly anything? It's fabulous, it's great, and I will teach you how to play it in the next lesson.